Welcome to Clouds.training. This is part 5 of OOPS Concepts training program. In this lesson, we will learn about finalizers. Finalizers are exactly opposite to constructors. These are used for destructing the object that is created using constructor. These finalizers are automatically called by garbage collector. Garbage collector is a part of .NET which is highly optimized and takes care of memory management by creating and destroying the objects whenever is required. They are very effective and takes care of the performance. However, there are requirements we need to enforce these finalizers to run. For example, if we are using unmanaged Windows resources or we are doing file or network operations, we need to manually call these finalizers to clear those resources. There are some limitations when we are dealing with finalizers. Finalizers cannot be defined with structures. They are only used with classes. If you remember in our previous lessons, we have clearly explained about classes and structures. Classes are reference types, whereas structures are value types. When a structure is initialized, it will store the object in a physical memory, whereas when a class is initialized, the reference to the location is created in heap memory. A class can have only one finalizer. Finalizers cannot be inherited or overloaded. Finalizers cannot be called, they are invoked automatically. A finalizer does not take modifiers or have parameters. So these are the limitations when we are dealing with the finalizers. Let's see an example of a finalizer. For this, we will be using the same solution that we have created earlier in our previous lessons. Here I have opened the Visual Studio and added a new project, which is a console application to the existing solution. You can give it a name, click OK. So this is the finalizers process that I have added. In the program.cs file, I have created three classes. First one, second class is inherited from the first class, and the third class is inherited from the second class. In this, if you notice, we have used tilde symbol in front of the constructor syntax that we have learned in our previous lessons. Now, when we use this tilde symbol, it will call the destructor. We are writing the trace information. First destructor is called and second one and hence third one. Now let's create the instance of the object here and watch for the output window. Here now I have built the application. You can run Ctrl+Shift+B or from here you can build the application. Now we need to look for the output window. I have pinned it here to see the output. Let's run the application. Application is executed. We can see that first it has called the third destructor and the second destructor and then the first destructor. That means instance of a most derived class is destructed and then upwards to the base class. This is how we can explicitly call the destructor in our class. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.